Hi everyone, today's video we are going to discover the Fitbit Charge 5 bracelet, the most advanced sports and health activity bracelet, which gives the best to your body with an ECG app for the heart and an AED sensor for the stress. It lets you optimize your training routine with a daily readiness score that reveals if you're ready to exercise or if you need to focus on recovery. With its health metrics dashboard, track SpO2, heart rate variability and skin temperature variation, it will even give you access to heart health tracking with high heart rate notifications and weak and a compatible ECG application. With Charge 5, see your real-time pace and distance without your phone using built-in GPS during outdoor activities, then see a map of your workout route in the Fitbit app. Track calories burned and optimize workouts with 24/7 heart rate tracking and active zone minutes that guide you to your desired intensity level. Get a better understanding of your sleep quality with a daily sleep score and graphs of your light, deep, and REM sleep time, then see how you can improve your sleep and wake up feeling energized. Your stats come to life on a new color touchscreen that's twice as bright as the Charge 4 in daylight, all with up to 7-day battery life, which varies with use and other factors. That's all for today. Don't forget to share the video if you liked it, and click on subscribe to be informed of new videos.